Here is a list of quadrilaterals. So we've got a kite, a rectangle, a rhombus, a square and a parallelogram, and you'll notice I've drawn them on the side. That's the first thing you're going to do in an exam. For each of the following descriptions, choose the correct name from the list. So all four sides are the same length, all four angles are equal. So we're looking at sides and angles to start with. So let's just draw on this information. So a square, all sides are the same length, and the angles, let's just do sides to start with. So sides, rectangle has two sides the same there, and then two sides the same length here. A rhombus, all sides are the same length. A kite, this pair are the same length, and then these pair are the same length. And a parallelogram has two pairs of the same length sides, so this one and this pair here. All four angles are equal. I'm going to change colour. So in my square, they're actually all 90 degrees, so I can draw little boxes in the corners. And that's the same for my rectangles. Now in a rhombus, the opposite angles are equal. In a kite, it's these opposite ones are equal, but the other two are not. So this would be one, and this would be three lines to represent that it's different from all of them. Parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Okay, so we can probably answer the first question now. So which one of these, all four sides are the same length and all four angles are equal? So all four sides the same, all four angles the same. It can be a square. And let's just check the rest. Sides aren't equal. All sides are equal, but the angles aren't the same. Only has one pair of equal sides and has two pairs of equal sides. It's not the rest. Okay, next, two pairs of parallel sides and opposite angles are equal. So parallel, I need to go back and change the colour again. And this is going to be represented by an arrow. So a square, this side is parallel to this side. And then this side is parallel to this side. So that's a double arrow to represent that they're a different pair of parallel lines. Same for a rectangle. This one's parallel to this one. And then this line is parallel to this line. Rhombus is the same as well, two pairs of parallel sides. Kite has no pairs of parallel sides, and a parallelogram obviously has parallel sides. Two pairs. Okay, so two pairs of parallel sides, opposite angles are equal, and it's got no lines of symmetry, so I also need to look for lines of symmetry. So a square has lots of lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Kite has one line of symmetry. Rhombus has two. Parallelogram though does not have any lines of symmetry. That's the only shape that we've got that doesn't have any lines of symmetry. Let's check. Are the opposite angles equal? Yes. Does it have two pairs of parallel sides? Yes. So it's a parallelogram that we're looking at. Okay, last one. All four sides are the same length. There are no right angles. So this has got right angles, this has got right angles. This hasn't got sides the same length. This hasn't got sides of the same length, not all of them are the same length. But this one here, all four sides are the same length, there's no right angles. So the answer to that one is a rhombus.